Hey y'all, how you doing today? My name is Mike with Crandall Office Furniture, and in this video we are going to show you how to properly lube up a Steelcase Leap Chair. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was remove the pads. Just gives you a little access to the spots where you want to lube up. The spots that tend to create the most friction is going to be these tracks right here. In the front of the chair and in the back you'll see them as well. So we want to hit that with some lube to make sure those slide easily. I also like to lube up the joint right here on both sides. That could be a source of creaks as well. And then I also like to get in underneath and hit the spring a little bit through the top hole. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be using a WD-40 special silicone quick drying spray. It's important to use this because it is quick drying. It won't create a mess as traditional WD-40 does. So it's going to be a better product for you. You can also use some petroleum jelly, some Vaseline to get in the joints, but I do recommend the spray because it will penetrate a little bit more and give you some more protection. Alright guys, so I have the chair ready, I got my spray ready. An important thing to know here is less is better. We don't want to soak the chair, we don't want it running down your legs, we don't want it running down the base, we don't want to ruin your carpet. So less is more, a little bit at a time, and try to go slowly. And once you put some in, check the chair to see if it's actually, gone through a little bit, but less is more. So I'm going to hit these first spots here first. I like to give the chair a little recline, and just kind of spray a little bit in there on each side. Give it a couple turns. I also like to hit the sides here, just a little bit. Just enough to get it in the grooves. Again, we're not soaking the chair, just a little bit. I also want to hit the spring just a little bit and give a little spray in there. Guys, when you're done, it's a good idea to just take a little rag and wipe up some spots, some overspray you may have gotten, just so your chair is fully protected. Maybe some down on the base there. I don't want that to get on your fabric or your clothes. So a good idea to give it a good wipe down after use. Alright folks, and there you have it. That's how you properly lube up a Steelcase Leap Chair. Feel free to contact us at our website at crandalloffice.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.
Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us at crandalloffice.com or on our Facebook page.